Welcome back, everyone. Are you stressed out, maybe trying to conceive, have a sports injury that's been nagging you?
Have you ever thought about acupuncture as a way to heal? We met up with a local acupuncturist in West Hartford to learn more about the ancient practice, which is still going strong today. I'd like you to meet Kathleen Kay. She injured her shoulder a while back, and in order to alleviate the pain and help heal it, she decided to try acupuncture.
It was difficult to pick up a coffee cup.
Oh, wow, that's tough.
Yeah, it was hard. And so I had friends who were doing acupuncture and liked it a lot. And it so happened that Karen was in the building, and I ran into her one day and talked to her about it, and she said, let's give it a try and see what happens.
Karen Borla is a licensed acupuncturist in West Hartford. She tells us a little bit more about acupuncture.
It's an ancient modality for treating the whole body. It increases the flow of what we call qi, the energy of the body. The qi is the life force, so it's that energy that we have. And the acupuncture promotes the flow of that qi. When it's flowing smoothly through the body, you can't have pain and you can't have imbalances because it's working the way it's supposed to work. So acupuncture facilitates that flow, the flow of qi and the flow of blood. That's vital for health.
How is that done?
We use needles to promote blood circulation in the body.
Very tiny needles.
So this is an acupuncture needle in a guide tube. I use the guide tube to help make the insertions painless. So the tube itself will create some pressure and tension at the skin, and then I would tap the needle in. And you can see how tiny the needles are. They're very, very thin, hair thin, and flexible and sharp. The pain is minimal. You might feel a pinch. You might feel, once the needle is in, a sensation of spreading or warmth or tingling. And that's a good sign. That's a sign that we've met the qi in the body and we're having an effect on it.
Kathleen tells me it certainly had an effect on her shoulder. Well, tell me about your status now. Is it?
It's great. I mean, it's great. It cleared it up faster than going the traditional medical route. I'm a big fan of traditional medicine and Eastern medicine kind of collaborating, so it was, for me, it was a win-win.
Yeah, that's all.
To get to see it work.
Kathleen's back for another treatment, this time for a sprained ankle.
I was going down my cellar stairs, and I tripped. I didn't really fall down my cellar stairs. I caught myself, but this foot tends to be weaker than the other, and so it just got ugly.
I did have it x-rayed to determine that there were no fractures and that it was just a sprain.
But in terms of getting relief, yes, I'd rather have acupuncture.
While folks certainly come for pain alleviation,
well, acupuncture isn't just for pain. It's, as I said, people mostly think of it for pain.
Right.
But there's the fertility aspect, and it helps both women and men. I help couples conceive either naturally or with assisted reproductive techniques. There are a lot of reasons why someone might be having trouble having a family. There could be issues with the cycle. They're not ovulating. So acupuncture and Chinese herbs can help promote ovulation. And of course, if you're now ovulating, it's a lot easier to get pregnant. We're promoting blood flow to the uterus and the ovaries. That helps the health of the whole reproductive area. So if you're not ovulating, there's no way you're going to be able to get pregnant.
Right.
If I can improve that ovulation, your chances of getting pregnant improve.
General well-being is yet another reason why people come to see Karen.
Pretty much general well-being is why I continue to come back on a regular basis, because I do tend to feel better, and I haven't been sick in a long time.
Good.
So I think that this does promote wellness.
My wellness patients, often they have come for other reasons and get better, and they like what the acupuncture does for them, so they continue to come, maybe on a monthly or seasonally basis. Someone might be stressed and feeling feeling harried from life, and acupuncture is great for reducing that. Now, we know stress causes all kinds of illnesses, and long-term stress can lead to chronic illnesses. So someone with a lot of stress or anxiety may come to feel better.
Karen loves what she does and wants to help others.
I'm so grateful. I pinch myself every day to be able to do this.
And have you heard of facial rejuvenation acupuncture? Karen told me it's for people who would like to improve their complexion.
Lots of uses you can have for acupuncture. If you think acupuncture is something that you might want to try, you can give Karen Borla a call. Her information can be found online at KarenBorla.com.